So before I conclude, I'll just say a few things. Number one, do your basic very well. PYQs और syllabus को अपनी guiding light बनाएं. Don't have FOMO for everything. जो limited चीज़ें कर रहे हैं वही करिए, because that is what you can replicate in the paper. And the exam is not about becoming a master, but you should be able to show that you're a master, right? So उसके लिए replicability बहुत important है. दूसरा, don't be very rigid in your preparation. I did not have per se कि इतने घंटे पढ़ाई करनी है. I had my target set. Internal accountability बहुत important होता है. लोगों को दिखाने के लिए नहीं पढ़ना है. You should have a sense of confidence कि मुझे इतना पढ़ना और मैं इतने देर में पढ़ लूँगी. I did not have any no use of social media policy or no meeting friends policy. Try to find your balance. Find what speaks with you. Then there is a lot of over guidance and misguidance in the market. If you have a good mentor, it's good. If you don't, I think topper strategy videos are a good place to find your contour and find your path. So you could look at that. Then to speak about Telegram, I think it is one of the most useful tools in this UPSC preparation. Be it for content or guidance, use it very strategically, and I think it will help you. Lastly, to speak about mental health, I think it is extremely important, and because it's a very long journey, it's a marathon where you have to run every day. So try to be surrounded by positive people, try to be surrounded by people who see this shared dream with you, who are there to assist you. For me, it was my family, especially my elder sister, who was always there to give me all kinds of support and give me all reality checks I needed. It was RCA, it was my friends, and I was extremely lucky to see this journey with them. You can also have internal or your own reminders. For example, in 2024 I had Chrome extension for positive quotes, or in 2025 I had a wallpaper which said you're the greatest project you're ever going to work on. So have certain thoughts that actually keep you moving, because again, it's a very long journey, and to stay on this journey you need good thoughts. So work around it.
Join Triumph IAS. Learn from Vikash Ranjan sir, trusted by IAS toppers for civil services exam preparation. हजारों यूपीएससी अभ्यर्थियों का भरोसा, विकास सर का मार्गदर्शन, अब आपकी बारी.
With Vikas Ranjan sir.
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 Vikas Ranjan point of
Vikas Ranjan sir की Vikas Ranjan sir की
Vikas sir.
From Vikas Ranjan, I to Vikas Ranjan sir for giving me direct